the world or the country per se, what we seem to be saying, shrinking civic space, the world becoming much more tumultuous, boils down to just a few individuals. We need to come to the realization that control of aspects in a given homeland, country, or even globally, even by extension globally, because if you look at the influences of people like the World Bank and the IMF, you know, when IMF coughs, over 50 countries in Africa here catch a cold. So the same thing, we are found in a situation where, away from the actual tenets of governance, which talk about right to participation, right to political participation, right to freedom, right to speech, you know, and all these freedoms, the whole notion has now shrunk to the hands of a few. There are just one or two, three people controlling the world. And I think that is particularly in this space of ours of activists, we need to come to reality too.